Bakery Schröder is located in Northern Saxony, Germany, and has been family-run since 1920. It has some 6 stores that supply the region with its award-winning products based on own recipes. Here, modern ovens and automated processes support the traditional craftsmanship. In 2017, during an expansion of the bakery, a heat recovery system from Exodraft was installed. It quickly showed significant energy savings. We are here in Saxony, district of Northern Saxony, about 70 kilometers northeast of Leipzig. Bakery Schröder is a family business that has existed here since 1920, founded by my great-grandfather. The heat recovery system and flue gas heat exchangers from Exodraft were installed during the expansion of the bakery in 2017. From design to realization, things worked out wonderfully. The installation went smoothly. After the heat engineers had been here and done the preparatory work, Exodraft carried out the installation, and the system has run smoothly ever since. We still don't have the final figures for annual consumption, but the clear trend is that we're saving energy. I can only recommend it. It's a pleasant cooperation. It runs smoothly, and, to repeat myself, it can only be recommended. Take advantage of the energy stored in the excess heat from your ovens and use it to warm up water for your heating systems, cleaning equipment, shower facilities and more. Exodraft develops, tests and optimizes its products in its own test laboratory. It's within these walls that the basis for efficient heat recovery is created. Exodraft also plans and supplies complete heat recovery systems for flue gas, steam or process heat, and subsequently puts them into operation, leaving you to enjoy the benefits. Find out more at www.exodraft-heatrecovery.co.uk.